Jim rides his lawnmower to the Dollar General store. He drank too much whiskey when he got back from the war. He lost his driver's license, so he couldn't drive no more. Jim rides his lawnmower to the Dollar General store. Now Jimbo was a good old boy from Georgia, and he did his faithful duty in Iran. When he got back home, he couldn't find no work at all, so he re-upped and headed to Afghanistan. He couldn't drink that liquor when he was in the Middle East. He'd always loved that cherished Georgia shine. When he came back home from the army, he found that old white liquor fit him fine. When he got back home in North Georgia, he'd always have a bottle in his hand. But that old white liquor was his downfall, when from all those Georgia cops he ran. Jim rides his lawnmower to the Dollar General store. He drank too much whiskey when he got back from the war. He lost his driver's license, so he just can't drive no more. Jim rides his lawnmower to the Dollar General store. Those troopers chased him down and they locked him up in jail. Jim called his daddy, but daddy wouldn't make his bail. He couldn't pay his fine, so in that cell he sat. The judge said guilty, and that was that. He served his time there till they finally let him go. He couldn't wait to get back down to his favorite liquor store. He bought another bottle and he drank it down real fast, till he passed out right there in his car. Those Georgia bulls came by and saw Jim sleeping at the wheel. Took him back to jail right then, it wasn't no big deal. The judge again said guilty, took his license right away. Jim rides that old lawnmower to this day. Jim rides his lawnmower to the Dollar General store. He still drinks whiskey, but he doesn't drive no more. We wave at him when he rides by, we seen it all before. Jim rides his lawnmower to the Dollar General store.